Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, we divide both sides by x. So we have y over x. This is about the read number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1 dx over dx multiplied by v, and that is about the product group of the derivative. And this one we can simplify it, and you got number 1. This one we have number 1, we can simplify it. So I will change y into vx. So dy over dx, that is about this one. So we need to simplify x, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we have v cosine v minus sine v. Later that we divide both sides by cosine v. So this one we have number 1. This one we have sine v over cosine v. Next, so v and v we simplify for the both sides. Next, I will put sine v over cosine v go to the left, dx and x go to the right, and we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of sine v. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of x about v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by x, and now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.